Hello, and thank you for making an inquiry on our beautiful Redline SS. As you can see, it's in immaculate condition. I'll just show you the interior. This car is a Holden 5-star car, so nobody else has owned it, so you'd be the first private owner. Full leather seats, absolutely immaculate. Now it has full sat nav, integrated Bluetooth, reverse camera, reverse sensors with park assist, that's front and rear. Also has lane change warning sensors, anti-collision warning sensors, blind spot mirrors, 5-star rating, and the SS Redline 19-inch limited edition alloys with Brembo brakes.